Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your business registration number and having owner ID ready. These are required for identity verification. Once done, collect your current DTI certificate and prepare a prioritized list of proposed new names because name availability is checked live. Next, log into the DTI business registration portal using your credentials. Make sure to use the business account, not a personal profile. After logging in, open the Amendment or Name Change section and start a new application to initiate the process. Now you fill the online application. Choose Change Business Name, carefully enter the current registered name, then add your proposed new name exactly as you want it to appear. Avoid abbreviations unless legal. Upload required scan documents, owner ID, affidavit of change, and a board resolution if the business has a board. After uploading, proceed to payment. Select the approved payment channel, complete the transaction, and immediately save the reference number and e-receipt. These proof items help if verification flags appear later. Finish by monitoring the application status on the portal until you receive the approved e-certificate. Processing usually takes 1 to 5 business days, but can vary. Once approved, download and save the new DTI certificate and notify stakeholders. If the application is rejected, read the rejection reason closely, correct the specific issue, often document quality or name formatting, and resubmit quickly using the same reference. Finally, make sure to update BIR, SSS, and local permits to reflect the new business name to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.